Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you something that is important. You must be getting a lot of robocalls, when you are in US, and I will show you how to get onto a registry called Do Not Call Registry. It's a national registry where you can register your number and nobody is supposed to call you on it. Okay, so go to a search engine and just enter national do not call registry in it, and then you will get some bunch of links, and click the first one. This is the one that we are trying to get to, the FTC's do not call registry. Okay, this is how it looks like, and I will quickly take you through the process to check if you're on this registry or not, and then how to get on it if you're not. So verify your registration. You just need to enter your phone number. I'm using one of my Google Voice phone numbers, which I do not use regularly. So I'm not concerned about my data right now, but you do not do this. So my phone number I have entered. You just need to provide an email address where they will tell you if you are on the registry or not. So I'm using something that I won't usually use. Okay, this is the email that I don't usually use. So submit. So they're asking you to make sure your information is correct. So I know what I have typed. My phone number is 602-587-8594, and then my email address is correct as well. And then click verify. So what they do right now is they verify if your phone number is on the do not call registry, and then they send you an email if you have already registered. So I did a test run before, and it comes up right away. So let's wait for the email to come, or it might take time. So I'm not waiting for that. I've already done it. Yeah, there you go. This is the latest phone. This is the latest email. So they clearly are telling me that my phone number ending with digits 8594 is not registered in the National Do Not Call Registry. Click here and enter your information to register. So now I have confirmation that I have never entered my number in the Do Not Call Registry, and now I want to register here. Okay, so phone number. So you have more than one phone number that you can register at the same time. So that takes some work out of doing multiple registrations, 3 phone numbers at a time, right? So I'm going to use this email address. Don't worry, all the email addresses that are showing up in my auto correct are, I do not care much about them. Submit. And it's asking for confirmation. Let me look at my phone number again, 602-587-8594, and my email address, that's correct, and then register. Open your email and click on link. You have submitted your phone numbers for registration in blah blah blah. You will receive an email to complete your registration. You must open the email and click on the link provided. Cool, I can do that. So I have 4, so I still have to receive the latest email. I don't think this is the latest, is it? Yeah, no, this is not the latest one. Yeah, I received it. So you just go to this link, and then here is the link. So you have a wait time of 72 hours. Okay, by the time you get registered, and there is some time like 30 days or something, after which they have to stop calling you. So this is it, registration complete. Let me go back and look here. Oh, you have to respond within 72 hours, and that's it. You can read about the other information later. I'm pretty sure it's 31 days, I think. After 31 days, you shouldn't get any marketing, related calls at all. So that is it. That's how you register into Do Not Call registry. And see, this is a completion confirmation that I'm getting, right? So that's how you get into the National Do Not Call Registry, and hope it helps curtailing some spam calls.